Hi, so we are here today at the Jigsaw studio doing our consecutive photo shoot for our e-commerce shoot. I work with Julie. This is our apparel for Julie. Julie is a fashion week designer. We are based at Churchgate, Bombay, and we've been doing Lakme Fashion Week in FDCI. So we've been collaborating with Jigsaw since over a year now, and all our major e-com shoots we do at their studio. They are very efficient and they're extremely fast, and that's what we need in the industry right now. So we do a shoot and within 3 to 4 days we have the images edited and sent to us. The team here is super fast and cooperative, and I tend to push my models a lot more. So we'll end up doing about 70 to 80 outfits per shoot, which is about ranging between 7 to 10 hours. So at Julie, we are known for contemporary festive wear. This, for example, is a layered kurta with flared palazzo pants.
Hi, my name is Bharti Varanga and I am a hair and makeup artist. I've been working with Jigsaw for last 5-6 months and my experience has been amazing with these people. The team is very cooperative and they make me feel like I am one of them.
Hello, my name is Anna. I come from Croatia. I'm 25 years old. It's my first time in India and I really enjoy it and I love working with you guys. Okay. I love the clothes. I really love the clothes. I would wear it, all of them, and it's so practical for summer and I love the material and it's so nice design. So yeah, I recommend.